Yeah. Yo. Guilty Simpson, Apollo Brown. Yeah. Dice game shit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, surprise, my peoples are suited for street ties, but never slacking, get a blaze up for when it happens. I'm reflecting, they're rapping, I'm working, they're napping, rest well. My pen is compressed hell, since sex sells, I'm filming your chick off in my sex sale. I break it good like a fresh L, make it hood but I dress well, spotless. I charge for my ink blotches, that's how I keep deep pockets. And you wonder why you freak watches, I don't need watches. The wrist stay G-shockless, yet I'm still on time. You can never kill off mine, I deal off lines. Travel the world, still pay my bills on time. I handle business, rep with a 357 like hammer bitches. Or maybe the K, banana clip it. I charge for my ink blotches, my ink blotches. That's how I keep deep pockets. I charge for my ink blotches, my ink blotches. That's how I keep deep pockets. I charge for my ink blotches, my ink blotches. That's how I keep deep pockets. I charge for my ink blotches, my ink blotches. That's how I keep deep pockets. I keep it real for people that keep it real with the people. And I don't really care if you're legal or live illegal. I used to speak with heat from the beak of a desert eagle, and now I travel seas with a gang of people to speak to. I came along, way to get on. I wait for the storm, now I'm paid to perform. I was destined for the shit since the day I was born, and now they checking for my shit and I'm breaking the norm. I'm out here, living without fear, living without cares, without a doubt near. You shouldn't run your mouth near. We hear it all, we got clout here. We got eyes and ears everywhere, and we ain't letting shit slide this year. I rep for the realest, respect for my killers in front.